Progressive relaxation. Introduction. Stress can lead to which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Muscle tension. 2. Headaches. 3. High blood pressure. 4. All of the above. Correct. Do you need to relax after each tension exercise? Select yes or no. Correct. You should tense each muscle group for 10 to 15 seconds. Then you should relax for 15 seconds. Progressive relaxation can help some people get to sleep. Select true or false. Correct. You can practice progressive relaxation in bed at night to help you sleep. Thank you for using Explain.